Hey guys, so welcome back to Life After, and I am actually at a live, sorry for the shaking because I'm walking, I'm at a live storage auction today. So there's not many of these around me. This is the first one I've seen in many months, but it actually happens to be at the storage unit closest to my house. Apparently they do this twice a year. So this one's a little bit more expensive than where I store my stuff at, so hopefully we get some good stuff. We feel the same.
75, 75, 75, 75, 75, 75, 75, 75, $50 and $50, $50, how about 25? 25, 25, 25, 25 in the back, 25 and now 35, 35, 35, 35, 35, 35, 35. 35, hey look, I did it. 45, that's now 55. Thank you, Carrie. Thank you. 55, 55, 55, 55, 55, 55, 55, 55. We're still friends. 55, 55, 55, now 65, 65, 65, 65, 65, 65, 65, 65, 65, 65, 65, 65, 65, last call for 65. Sold at $55, number.
Oh, there's a unit. Alrighty.
Gives me an idea.
Okay. Look, give me $20 on it. 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. Recycling, $20, 20. How about 10? 10, better 10, better 10. $10, better 10, better 10, better 10. That's $10, boy. $5, $5, $5, $5, $5, $5, $5, $5, $5, $5. How about a dollar bill? Dollar bill. Dollar bill, anybody? Dollar bill? Sold it, dollar bill.
What have we got in here?
The whole world's in there. The whole world.
Couches.
Right.
A couple boxes. No.
Well, if you haven't bought it, I'll buy that for $1.
That actually looks nice. Most valuable thing in there for sure.
Little pull-up bar. A pull-up bar.
Something I'm not used to.
Yeah, back up.
Bakers.
That's the owner.
Look at that. Goodies here. This is 220. 10 to 10. Oh, right. We'll go $25 on it. 25, 25, 25, 25, 25, 25, 25, 25. How about $10 on it? 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, $10, 10. How about $5 on it? 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. $5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, $5, $5. We'll go dollar bill on it. Dollar bill. Anybody interested in a dollar bill?
Yeah.
I got a dollar right there. You can't bid, sir. I called you first. I got a dollar. Now two. Last call for two. Sold it $1 bill, number 16. Number 16.
Like that giant mirror. But the problem with kids stuff is usually you don't have money to buy anything else.
10 to 15. This one is a 10 to 15.
You spend all your money on your kids.
Can I bring you some shirts and stuff?
Oh, there's a little TV back there. Postmates. Somebody delivered for Postmates.
Crib mattress.
There's more mattresses. More mattresses.
Oh, look at that. Some stuff you could use.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Bed frame? Or bed, like a platform?
Yeah, it's a platform for the bed.
That right there? It could be anything you want it to be.
Yeah. $100. How about $50 on it? $50. $50. She said 50. Oh, don't do that. That's Lisa. 50 now. How about 25, 35, 35, 35, 35, 35. 35, 35, 35, 35, 35, 35, 35, 35, 35, 35, $35, 35, 35, 35, 35, 35. Last call for 35. Sold at $25 number.
It's a good deal.
Number 9.
He did.
$25 number 9.
He will.
Okay, George. 500, 500, 500, 500, 500, 500. 500, how about 400? 400, 400, 400, 400, 400, 400, 400. $300. 300, 300, 300, 300, 300, 300. $200 in. Two, 100. More than that. Now 100 and a half. 1.5 now said 200. Now 2.5. Money's here. 2.5. 300, 350, 350, 350, 350. Now 400, 400, 4.5, 450, 450, 450. Last call for 450. Sold at $400. Number 9. $400. Number 9. No tax, George.
So the story with that one is apparently that was a mover took that and did not get the guy, and then so like it's probably a bunch of people's stuff in there, and he kind of held them hostage, and then he didn't pay the bill. So one guy at least wants his stuff back out of there, like 19 items, and apparently he has the money to get it. So should be able to make your money back pretty fast on that. I just didn't bring enough cash.
175. Last call for 160.
Scooters.
That was like the coolest couch. Now, you get back on it.
It's a weird unit. Box for a PS4.
It's like it's mostly like
Yeah. Probably this is a college student's.
That's what it looks like. has a little
There's one shoe and one weight.
Or maybe they only have one leg.
A lot of nicer cars.
Magic hat.
Dollars on it, $100, $100. How about $50 on it? $50, $50. How about $25 on it? 25, 25, now 35, 45, 55, 55, now 65, 75, don't do that, 75, look, what are you wearing that dollar cap for nothing?
Because I want to keep it.
75, last call for 75, sold at $65, number 14, $65, 14.
Tiny unit furniture. Lots of chairs. Last one.
$50 all over the house. He's gonna go $60. 60. I got him for 60. Now $70. 70, $80, 80 now, 90, 90 now, $100, 100 now, 110, 110, 110, 110, 110, 110, 110 now, 120, 120, 120 now, 130, 130 now, 140, 140. Money is in the back. 140 now, 150, 150 now, 160, 160 now, 170, 170. Did you say 170? 170 now, 180, 180 now, $180. Money's here, 180, 190, 200, 200.
Nice chairs, you're limited of other stuff.
200.
Yep.
200 and now 220, 210, 210 now 220. 220, 220, 30, 230 now 240. 240. Last call for 240, 250, 250. Tell him yes. 250. Come on, boss lady. 250, 260, 260. Don't ask me, you're the boss. 260, 260, 70, 280. Just stick with me, find out. 280, 280.
I got it.
You're on. 280. No, you're not. I got 280, 290 to you. 290. Money's over here. 290. $290. It's the only money you can't take it with you. 290.
She was out.
Huh? Oh, you're out? Okay, I got him at 280. I got him at 280. Got you at two. I was getting
I had it at 270.
270? Okay, 270.
Took hers to 280.
All right, that's right. I got 270. I need the money. Got to buy gas. Now 270, now 280, 280, $280. $280. 280. Sold it $270. Number one.
So as you can see, I didn't end up buying anything. The bid on just went a little too much more than I could either had on me or what I could see the profit being. So, but it was fun, except for my allergies are killing me now because of all the dust. Oh well, thanks for watching and subscribe, and hopefully we'll go to another one soon and I'll actually get to buy something. Hey guys, so I'm currently at Half Price Books, one of my favorite bookstores, and I brought a bunch of DVDs that you guys saw in that unit, the small unit. So I am here to see what I can get for them. I don't know if I can get a lot, hopefully, you know, 15 bucks or so. And then whatever's left over, I will try on declutter, whatever's left over from that. Because declutter gives you like 5-10 cents a piece. These guys might give you 50 cents a piece, I'm hoping. So I'm hoping it's a little bit better here. But we'll see. And then we'll go on and make it just a big stack and put them on eBay with whatever's left. Okay guys, so I got $13 from Half Price Books. And that puts me a little bit further closer to making my money back. Again, that's going to be a tough unit to make my money back on. That was not a smart buy, but we make mistakes sometimes.